Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. And today we're gonna try some new treats from Try Treats. And this time it's from Korea. To get 15% off your first box of international treats from Try Treats, enter the promo code GRANNYMCDONALD. You can find the link to Try Treats in the description box below. A big thank you to Try Treats for sponsoring this video. This month, our treats come from South Korea. Do you know where South Korea is? It's a region in East Asia. Many famous people are from Korea. The first treat that Granny's gonna try, custard cream cake. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? Well, Granny can't wait to open it, so she's going to open it right now. Well, they didn't Granny proof it, and that's always good. Look how cute it is. It's very cute. All right, big bite for Granny. Oh, see, there's custard inside there. Hey, it tastes like angel food cake. That's very yummy. The next treat that Granny's gonna try, toasted seaweed. What? Toasted seaweed? Well, let's take a look at it. All right, let's open it. We're gonna try it. Toasted, what is that? Toasted seaweed. My goodness. Well, Granny can see right through it, but she's gonna give it a try. Here we go. Oh my goodness! What? It tastes like dried fish. Granny has somewhat recovered from that dried seaweed, and now she's gonna try cocoa pie. That looks pretty good. All right, let's open it. No more surprises for Granny. Oh, that looks cute. Look, it's chocolatey, like a little cake. Here we go. Granny's gonna take a little tiny bite. Oh, marshmallow, chocolate, and cake. Definitely not seaweed. Here's a question for you. Do you know what the capital of South Korea is? It's Seoul. See? The next treat that Granny's gonna try, Pepero, chocolate biscuits. All right, let's open it. Time's a-wasting. No more seaweed, please. Well, they trying to Granny proof it again. Oh, look at that. It's chocolate, Granny's favorite. Here we go. Crunchy, chocolatey, very yummy. The next snack that Granny's gonna try from Korea, Waffle Mate. Well, Granny doesn't really know what that is unless it's a waffle, but Granny's gonna open it. Let's see what it is. My goodness, the seaweed was easy to open. What? What? Oh, it's like another little cake. Maybe it has marshmallow in it. Let's try it. Yep. Marshmallow inside again. Very yummy. Lots of cream. Or marshmallow. No, that's cream filling. Hey. Granny likes that a lot. The next treat from Korea that Granny's gonna try. Butter coconut sweet biscuit. How could that be bad? It's probably wonderful, so let's open it. Oh. Wow, there's a whole bunch in there, see? Let's take a look. Oh, they look really yummy. It's like a sweet cookie and a cracker. The next treat Granny's gonna try, Margaret cookie. Well, it'd be nice to have a Granny cookie, but Margaret's okay too. All right, let's open it. See what we got here. Oh, look how pretty that cookie. Look, there's two of them. They're pretty. All right, let's take a big bite. That's a very soft cookie. Not really crunchy at all. The last treat that Granny's gonna try, Cancho Choco Biscuits. Look at that, they're so cute. All right, Granny's gonna open it. Oh, that was easy. Wait. Let's see what we got. Look how tiny that is. It's like a big M&M. All right, Granny's gonna try it. Here we go. Oh, it has chocolate inside. Hey, Granny thinks that's her favorite. Granny has tried all of the international treats from South Korea, and she's gonna tell you which one was the worst. Well, what do you think it was? It was the seaweed. Oh my goodness. Well, it must be an acquired taste, and Granny hasn't acquired it yet. And that's all Granny has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles, and for more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and find me on Cameo. Wow, these are good.